So, hello everyone and welcome back to the Southern Biker, and you join me and Jamie, who's said he's not going to speak because
Hello.
There we go. We are currently at Rayleigh and we're heading to Finchingfield today, and it has been, well, the weather's been great all week, hasn't it?
It's been fucking hot.
So I'd imagine that because of the weather's been great and it's a Sunday, it's going to be absolutely rammed. Also 911 and M3 touring. What a great way to start the day. So, roll on the intro and I'll cut back to you when we're there. Right, so I reckon we're 20 minutes away, maybe a bit less than that.
Great.
So I'm just going to leave the GoPro on. There'll probably be a few bits of footage. And then we'll be at Finchingfield. Are you excited,
Hello
Jamie?
guys, and welcome back to the Southern Biker!
Ah!
Ah!
You can hear me, yeah? Jamie? Jamie?
Yeah, I'm just fucking me, I can hear.
Oh, okay, you can hear me. Bastard, because I can't hear myself anymore for some reason. I should not be sending it round these roads, I do not know them well enough.
He says as he accelerates hard.
Yeah. That Golf ain't moving probably God knows how long.
Oh, I remember this.
So how many times did you come here last year?
Once.
Oh really?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's such a nice spot. I need to come in more often. Yeah, it's this corner coming up now. They just fucking overtook Riley and M on with like no visibility.
Oh, the bugs are out now.
Let's go. Is it busy? I see a few bikes. Okay, good. Yeah. It's not as busy as when we came the other week when it was later in the day, so we'll get parked somewhere. People usually put it in parking the bus stop, but I don't know if that's a good idea. What are you thinking, Jamie?
Wherever you can chuck 'em, boss.
Oh fucking hell, what just turned up behind us? Oh, well, he's kind of parked it a bit awkwardly.
Oh, we can fit in next to that Triumph.
Oh, sod it, I'm going to go round again.
Yeah, I'm going to park here.
Alright, I'll come back round to you. Is that Fiesta going to get out? Probably. If not, oh well.
We can always come sit by the bikes anyway, so if someone does need to move, we can move.
We'll only be down there, we won't be a mile away.
A few moments later.
And this is what it's all about. It's so nice here, and the food is also great. Oh, someone's trying to start up. Jamie, what are we thinking?
Fucking banging.
Fucking banging, he says. Our bikes are literally just here as well. So we're gonna chow down, and then we'll probably do a little montage of what's here and people coming in and out, because I imagine it's gonna get busy soon because we got here. What time is it now?
9:30.
9:30. So we got here quite early because when I came here like a week or two ago, later, you couldn't get parked. So hopefully it'll get busy soon. Right. Oh, it's breaking the law. Right, I'll meet you round.
Sweet.
And with that, it's time to say goodbye to Margate. To be fair, it wasn't as busy as I expected it to be, but people will probably turn up later. But I actually fancied getting a space and having breakfast at a decent time. Jamie, what did you think? Jamie is dead. Hello, Brev, what happened?
What do you mean?
You completely disappeared off comms.
Oh, it went a bit crackly. I could hear just like you coming through a bit fucking weird.
You know we want to go that way, right?
Do we?
Yeah, that's what
I thought you said we wanted to go the same way we came.
Yeah, that was that way.
We're coming from here.
No, we came in from there.
Oh, we came in from here.
No, we definitely came in from there.
100% we came in from there.
No, I promise you. I led us here, I know, I promise you.
Oh, I swear we come in this way.
Nope. Because remember, I did the loop round, didn't I?
Yeah, because we come in and then we did a loop.
No,
and I just stopped there.
We definitely came in that way.
We definitely came in this way. Watch the footage back, geezer.
Okay, good. Yeah. It's not as busy as when we came the other week when it was later in the day, so we'll get parked. Right, so, oh, that's nice. What did you think of the old Finchingfield then?
A lovely, beautiful place.
It is indeed.
Just like that motorcycle.
It is, isn't it? Right, they're all coming in here. So's the car. Oh, lovely breeze. Right, and with that, thank you for watching, everyone. I know it has been a while. Thank you for 1,000 subscribers. I really should have acknowledged that sooner. But yeah, anything to add, Jamie, before I turn the camera off?
This breeze is wonderful.
This breeze is stupendous. It's a glorious summer's day. The breeze is prospertudinous. And with that, I'll see you all later. Ta-ta!